Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and I'm just doing a short video today on Ctrl Z. Before I get to that though, I would like to remind people that Windows 7 is nearing its end of life, which means that it will no longer be supported after January of 2020. So if you or anybody you know is using Windows 7, tell them that it is time to either upgrade their operating system, which in a lot of cases it's not worth doing that, or get a new machine, which is usually the better choice. And if anybody needs help doing that, I can help them out if they're in the Memphis area. If not, your local computer guy can help you take care of that. But now back to the matter at hand. Ctrl-Z is a very useful tool. A lot of people are not aware that it exists. And what it allows you to do is to undo any mistake, virtually any mistake that you make. The only caveat is you can't have made another action after your mistake. I'll demonstrate. Let's say we have this WordPad shortcut in the center of the desktop, and then let's say I delete the WordPad shortcut, and then I think to myself, oh no, I really didn't mean to do that, and I would rather have that WordPad shortcut back on my desktop. Well, all I have to do is hold down the Control key. It's the key on your keyboards, the leftmost key on most keyboards. Hold that down, and then one time, while you're holding the Control key down, tap the Z key. And as you can see over here, the WordPad icon came back. Now, usually this Ctrl-Z can be used globally, which means it's in almost every program it works. So let's say I type in these numbers, right? And then let's say I delete these numbers, and then I think to myself, oh no, I didn't mean to do that. I'd like it to go back to the way it was. As long as I haven't typed anything else or made any other changes to this document, all I have to do is hold down the Control button and tap the Z key, and they all come back just as they were. It basically just undoes your most recent action. So if you type in a bunch of 8s right here, and then I hit Ctrl-Z, the 8s go away. So whatever the last thing you did was, it undoes it. It's known as the undo key. So just keep that in mind. If you accidentally were to delete the whole text of a document, Control-Z, and then you've got it right back. So that's a great way to save yourself potentially a lot of work. I hope everybody found this video to be helpful. If so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody is in the Memphis, Germantown, Collierville, Midtown area and you need in-home computer repair, please feel free to call me, Dave Bensman, at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.